I'm going to show you how a student can make notes directly into their Buzz course. Right now I'm on a student view on the home page, and pretend that I'm a student and I just walked into my US history course. So I'm going to click in the course, and now the teacher is up at the board giving a lecture on US history, and I want to take some notes. So all I have to do is come up here on the left hand side and click Notes, and come down and click Add Note, and I'm going to make my note. Okay, and I'm going to click Save, and there's my note. As I keep on making notes, if I want to see all my notes, I just come up here and click See All Notes, and as I continue to make notes, this will be filled in with all the notes that I'm making.